Almost all of us carry this every day, a US dollar note. Most people assume the government makes it entirely, but the Bureau of Engraving and Printing is only the final stage. While they run the presses in Washington, D.C. and Texas, several specialized private companies manufacture the essential components of the note. Let's look at the first essential component. It starts with the material. US currency is printed on a high durability substrate, that is, 75% cotton and 25% linen. Since 1879, this material has been supplied by Crane Currency based in Massachusetts. They produce the specialized fabric that the government's printing process requires. They supply the fabric before the printing ever begins. With the substrate established, we then have to look at the specialized chemistry applied to it, which is the ink. Modern US notes use color shifting security features, such as the numeral that changes from copper to green when the bill is tilted. This is known as optically variable ink. The technology behind it is supplied by a Swiss company called SIGPA. While the government manages the printing facilities, they source this specific chemical technology from this private manufacturer. But even beyond chemical ink, there is a physical feature woven directly into the note structure. The most advanced component of the $100 bill is the blue 3D security ribbon. This is not printed. It is a micro-optic strip made of thousands of microscopic lenses that are embedded into the material during manufacturing. This technology was developed and patented by Crane Currency. When the bill moves, those lenses create the moving images seen inside the ribbon. This makes the note a product of specialized security engineering rather than just a standard print job. So while the US government authorizes and prints the currency, the fundamental parts, the substrate, the security inks, and the optical features are provided by private manufacturers under specific contract. What most people simply call paper cash is in reality a piece of sophisticated engineering.